So Joey Silverado has been making a strange thumping noise, and it was driving both of us crazy. So finally Joey crawled underneath this thing and went through it head to toe and found what the problem was. So what we found is that the bushing for the torsion bar crossbar, see if I can spit that out, was completely gone, and the bolt that holds the torsion bar crossbar was bouncing up and down, making a hellacious racket. So what we're going to do in this video is A, show you how we found it, and then B, more importantly, show you how we fix it. Just to show you what we're dealing with here, this is the crossbar, here's the torsion bar, and if you look, that's the thumping noise that haunted us, and Joseph had to go front to back before he finally found it, because it looks solid, and if you push up on it, it's solid. It's solid. It's when you pull down on it that it messes up. Now, GM, in their infinite wisdom, did not bolt these brackets on. What we have is rivets, so we're going to have to grind these rivets down here, as well as over here, to replace this bracket. You can see there's a bolt going through that bracket, but that's what we're going to go ahead and do. So we're going to start with grinding. We're going to take the bolt out that holds the crossbar on, and then we're going to take those rivets off and take it from there. So the first side that we're going to work on, it's got a lot of stuff going on. You can see there's this, looks like a brake booster of some kind sitting there, and we've got to get a, what is it, 21 millimeter?
Yeah.
21 millimeter socket somehow in here to remove that bolt. So that's going to be the first challenge. There's probably a couple other different ways we can approach this, but we're going to start with doing that. Oh, we've got an impact now. Go ahead and go for it, Joe. See if we can get it out. Nope, we're going to have to break it. Oops, sorry. So first things first, that impact gun didn't have enough oomph. So we're going to put a wrench on it, try to break it loose and see if we can then use it. There we go.
I think that might be loose enough.
Yeah, give it a shot. Alright. Now what I didn't mention is the other side of
I have to support this somehow.
This crossbar has a welded in bolt, so we don't have to put anything on there. Let me see, hold on, Jay. There we go. Alright, let's get those rivets out. Fun. Alright, so to get the old one out, we're actually jacking up the crossbar to get some room in there so we can get that one out. Watch your fingers, bro. No? You want it? Alright, so we're jacking this beast as far up as we can. Hopefully can get that. This is the reason that engineers that design cars should have to work on them. Alright, try it now. You want this? That's it. It's not going no more. There's no more room for it to go.
Yeah. I'm guessing that's the right one.
Yeah, it is. Getting the bolts lined up and in place was a bit of a challenge. We finally got the bolts, washers, and nuts in place, got them tightened up, and got ready to proceed with installing the bolt that holds the crossbar in.
And now, this is going to present a problem too.
What?
Because getting
Getting in the line?
Yeah.
I don't think that'll be that bad. You gotta go up or down?
It's going to go down.
Let me put my not unsubstantial weight on it.
Alright.
Listen, push and pull on that bar, see if it does the clunking anymore. Or the torsion bar. The clunk has been fixed and is gone. And for the grand finale, we're going to clean that up and hit it with some primer. It's not black, but it'll do. We'll keep it from rusting.
I'll
That's
paint it black. That'll be a future video.
Alright, so we got through with the bracket change. Here's the old one. Actually, the rubber bushing that was inside rolled away somewhere. It's probably somewhere in the yard, but basically that's how loose it was. It came right out. So we were able to get that. The clunking is solved. The rivets were a major pain in the rear to get off. I'm actually going to do a separate video on the rivets and then just condense that portion here. But anyway, I'm glad we're done. So if you liked the video, hit like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.